If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Steam, it's important to act quickly. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client on your computer. Enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access your account details. Once logged in, navigate to your account details. You can find this by clicking on your username at the top right corner and selecting account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. View your purchase history. In the account details section, look for the View Purchase History option. Click on it to see a list of your recent transactions, including any pending ones. Step 4. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your purchase history to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 5. Request a cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should have successfully cancelled your pending transaction. If you encounter any issues, reaching out to Steam support can provide additional help.